Hello and welcome again to the module on foreign exchange. Right now we're looking at the fourth topic, which is the bid and ask rates. So as we go through these topics, we're gradually unpacking and unfolding the financial market jargon that makes things look so complicated when it's actually quite easy to understand. So kicking off, let's look at the first set of terminology, base currency and quoted currency. So if we just quickly recap, an FX transaction is the exchange of one currency for another. But then in this market, like any other market, you do have conventions. So for instance, if you're exchanging dollars and rands, there needs to be some sort of convention in place which makes it easy for you to understand which currency is being exchanged for another. So if we unpack that even further, you'd have the US dollar, and by convention, it is known as the base currency. Okay, so what that basically means is that when you are exchanging dollars and rands, the dollar is the currency that is given a unit of one, and then the rand would be called the quoted currency, and it's basically it basically tells you how many rands can buy $1. So that's why we call the dollar the base currency, and then the rand becomes the quoted currency. So when you go to a market maker, they will often show what we call two-way pricing when it comes to foreign currency quotations. So for your dollar rand example, they'll show you USD 10, so USD ZAR 10 or 11. So at 10 is where you buy the base, and at 11 is where you sell the base. So there's actually some more jargon around that. So basically when you buy the base, that's the bid, and where you sell the base, that's the offer. So a way that I like to think about it that makes it a bit easier to remember is that if you want to buy dollars with your rands, the bank is going to, or the financial institution is going to show you the higher price. Okay, so you want to buy dollars, they will offer you a higher price. And when you want to sell your dollars to the financial institution, they will bid at a lower price. So if you use the terminology that way, it can help to clear some of the confusion around the jargon. And that brings us to the end of that topic.